Hey guys, this is what's up mga kagato. This is Rita Blandina, ang dating fresh at maganda. Ngayon ay poka na. For today's video, magluluto po tayo ng sweet and sour breast chicken. So ayun, hello! Nice meeting you guys. This is the first appearance sa Rita Blandina. And of course, sasamahan niyo ako. Of course, wala kayong choice na magluto ng sweet and sour. So that's it. Let's go! So first thing to do, of course, meron na tayong chicken, and we have one egg here. It's just this, and it's cooked lang muna yung chicken, or chicken breast. Then, put the chicken, or chicken breast. Kakamayin ko na, kami na magkakain. So next we're going to put pepper, salt. So we're going to use iodized salt, your soy sauce, and your vinegar. Mix it together. Cornstarch, 1 cup.
No.
Ingat! Hey guys, we are done frying na our chicken breast. Ito na siya. And right now, we're going to do na our sauce. So, magpapakulo lang tayo ng tubig, 1.5 cup. So guys, kumulo na siya. So, we're going to put na your tomato sauce. So, 1 pack lang muna. Next, toyo. 1 teaspoon lang. Pero ang ginagawa ko is kutob-kutob lang. Vinegar. And pepper. And salt. Wala akong rock salt. So I'm going to use the iodized salt. Ayun lang kumulo. Of course, last is your brown sugar. Sweet and sour kasi. So we are done with the sauce. So magigisa na tayo. At lutuin na natin siya. So of course, bawang guys, mga kagando. So I have here white onion. Next your capsicum, carrots, bell pepper, green and red. Ito, Mami Grace, charet. So lalagay na natin ang yung ginawa natin sauce kanina. So I have here cornstarch na tinunaw lang sa tubig. Pampalapot. So ayan. So kumulo na, for how many minutes lalagyan natin ang chicken na kagando. So ayan na. And of course, haluin lang natin. And after this na mahalo ng ilang seconds or mga 1 minute, then we are done now with our sweet and sour chicken. Okay na to. Ikaw, okay ka pa ba dyan? Thank you guys for watching. See you again. This is Rita Blandina. Ang dating maganda at fresh. Ngayon is poka na. Bye guys!